Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Shah Jahan, and you are watching our YouTube channel. So today I am here with wonderful strategy. Just use one tool and get huge profit from the market. So if I tell you, just find one trade and get huge profit from the market. So if you focus on the chart, we have last order block here. This is our demand. You can see the demand here, and this is our supply. So the problem is every trader faces this problem. So every trader wish trade, if they are taking trade towards buy, so they are waiting this demand, and most people taking sell trade from this supply. So market is current running in this area. So if I tell you the one tool and use correct entry point, and where from market give you a good move, you can identify the main area which give you retracement or impulsive move from this area. So here is our one tool. The name is volume profile, FRVP. So just take this tool and apply from low to high. So you can see here the FRVP volume profile shows us the main area of reversal. You have to just mark this, and you can see here market tabs on this area and get rejection from this and give us the very good impulsive move from this area. Because market did not tabs on the supply, because here is our main rejection area. So you can find with this tool our main rejection area, and you have to take trade short from here, and risk reward should be minimum 0.39 is your risk, and reward is 1.58. So this is almost 1:6 reward ratio. This is very good in the gold. If you are taking just one trade and hold it, so this is enough. So again you can see after this trade, how can we find a reversal area, because many traders waiting for this area in this demand for the waiting buy, but market did not take this demand, and market give you again a bullish move from the towards supply. So how can you identify this again from with this FRVP tool? You have just apply this tool from this area to swing low to swing high, because here is our BOS structure break again, and here is our BOS from the downside here. So this is the reason of taking sell trade, and this is the reason of we have to take trade buy side. So this is exact area of rejection. You have to mark just this demand, and when price taps on this demand, you have to be ready for the long side. This is your trade setup, and you can see the risk reward. 0.39 is your SL and 1.34 is your PP. So everybody knows about something in trading market. For the trading, if somebody senior here, they will understand the value of this content. So if you like our videos, so please comment and share our channel and subscribe, and please spread our channel towards other people. So we will meet again with a new topic. So till then, Allah Hafiz.